दूर और नजदीक के सुनने वाले वो कान, कान लाले करामत पे लाखों सलाम। सुभान अल्लाह। He is speaking about the beautiful ears of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, which can hear from near and afar. Subhanallah. So those who say, Ya Nabi salam alayka, Ya Rasul salam alayka, मेरे मुस्तफ़ा गुम्बद खजरा में आराम भी फरमा रहे हैं, आपकी आवाज को सुन भी रहे हैं। अल्लाहु अकबर। Because in the books of ahadith it is mentioned when Sahaba Ikram asked Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, जब लोग आप पर दरूद पढ़ते हैं, when people send darood upon you, you listen to the darood Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, मगर after your apparent demise, when you will make parda from our eyes, कि हम आपको देख नहीं पाएंगे Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when we would not be able to see you when you're going to leave this world, then how will our darood reach you? Hi, मेरे मुस्तफ़ा sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam ने इरशाद फरमाया, he had mentioned that oh my companions, there will be two types of people that send darood upon me. One are those people that will send darood upon me for the sake of sending. They darood the angels bring to me on a weekly basis or on a daily basis, and I reply to their salam and to their darood that they send upon me. But the second category of people are those who send with ishq and muhabbat. Allahu Akbar. And my Aka, our Master sallallahu alaihi wasallam, had mentioned that those people who send darood with love and muhabbat, I personally hear their darood. Allahu Akbar. I hear their darood और मैं उसको भी पहचानता हूँ, उसके बाप को भी पहचानता हूँ. Allahu Akbar. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I recognize him and whose son he is. Subhanallah. Which means that he is not only the power of his ears, look at the power of his eyes as well. Subhanallah. Look at the power of his knowledge and wisdom, dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel. So Allah Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, दूर और नजदीक के सुनने वाले वो कान, काने लाले करामत पे लाखों सलाम. Hundreds of thousands of salutations be upon the mine. You know mine, जैसे कान, where it's a mine, it's a gold mine, or it's a charcoal coal mine. So one is called the mine. So Allah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is saying that this ears is the mine of rubies. Subhanallah. This ears of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is just as rubies. It's a mine of rubies and pearls. Subhanallah, subhanallah. That he can hear from so far and from so near. Subhanallah. As long as you call the Holy Rasul with ishq and muhabbat. So he says, दूर और नजदीक के सुनने वाले वो कान, काने लाले करामत पे लाखों सलाम.
दूर और नजदीक के सुनने वाले वो कान, 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 कान लाले करामत पिला को सलाम, कान लाले करामत पिला को सलाम.